Car people are honestly like the nicest people in the world, I feel like. I'm going to my buddy Jeff's right now to pick up a trailer from him. Same guy who I borrowed the trailer from when I picked up the CRX from Thompson Racing. But anyway, I'm going to pick up a trailer from Jeff's so that we can load up the Hornet tomorrow and then take it down to Detroit, where buddy Ed is going to start on the engine refresh, transmission rebuild, or whatever. You may remember that the trans in the Hornet is toasted, so I want to get that done, obviously, so that we can drive the car come spring, and he had a space open up in his shop, so we're gonna run that thing down there. Jeff's got a pretty cool car in this trailer. If he doesn't mind, I'm gonna video him pulling it out. Such a cool car. Trailer is hooked up, lights on, chains on. Been praying for snow for the last month and a half, and the day that I need to move a car, we get hammered with fluffy, wet snow. Sounds about right. Plan is we're gonna go to the shed, move the vertical column, move the Mustang out, hopefully easily get the Hornet out, put it in the trailer, drive to Detroit, unload it, load up a different vehicle, and then come home. Hopefully we'll be home today. Maybe we can snowmobile tomorrow. I forgot to start recording when we got here, but what we're trying to do is get this car out from under the loft, between these two poles, under the lift, and out that door. Once we get closer, I'll move David's car so we can get this out. To go a lot easier than I honestly feel like we are two of the smartest guys alive right now. So, pole is installed, sort of. Old pole cut. We should be able to get this thing out super easy now. I just jinxed it, obviously. All right, I'm gonna put the camera down. Next time you see me, we'll be getting this car out. Sorry, David, we had to move your car in the snow for a minute. We think the car ran out of gas, so we went and got gas, we went and got starting fluid. We're trying to get it started again. We'll see how that goes. There it is. It wants to. See how it lunges forward? You gotta have your foot on the brake. Oh. That's what it is. Okay, it has a hard time starting because it's stuck in gear. Dick around with the shifter, forward and backward. Put it in, yeah, now try it. right, so as you can see, the Tran's like, it's basically like stuck in reverse while you're trying to drive it forward. So it's like really loaded. It made it really hard to get it on the trailer, but she's in, tie it down. The part that was hard was getting the car out of the building. I didn't think that that would be the hard part. I thought the hard part was gonna be that pole, but I don't know, whatever. I guess it's done now, so we're good. Car is tied down. While we were here, my dad had the genius idea of popping the hood off because Ed's gonna have to take the hood off anyway, and there's some chips and bubbles and stuff that I want to have repaired, so we're gonna rip the hood off. Walt, I'm gonna bring the hood to you if you watch this video and get it redone. So. Mine's really hard. Watch that. You good?
Just set it down.
These are probably like some obscure AMC unknown size. I'm not gonna be able to put a hood back on the car because we can't find any bolts. It's 11:17. My camera died, but we are locked, loaded, hood is off, and we are going. I'll show you the way I have to get out of here because I guess I could back it all the way up. This seems way easier. For whoever I'm giving a lawn job to, I apologize. We don't actually need gas, but we're about to get on the freeway, so I figured I'd top it off and check and make sure the car is good. Perfect. Governor has restaurants closed, so we can't eat by going inside, so we just have to wait in the drive-thru. So I just looked behind us and there's a U-Haul truck behind us. Oh, this one says clearance 9 feet too. I think that this is less than 9 feet. We're gonna find out. It's very close. Oh yeah. The curb is actually what I'm more worried about. We are definitely under it though. That thing is all bashed in and I'm almost certain it's under 9 feet, so I'm gonna have to cut it really hard once our food gets here. I mean, it would have fit, but it probably would have grazed it a little bit. So, good thing I was watching.
Yeah.
Do you think it's gonna start?
Yeah. Because it's got gas in it.
All right, we made it here, and I'm gonna see if I can get this thing to start so it'll warm up a little bit because it does just not like to drive. It's like super loaded up when you try to back it up. Last time, we'll see the Hornet for a while. I'm gonna go pick up the other vehicle. We're going to get this other vehicle, but my dad was against this idea. He just didn't want to tell me no, because my parents never told me no as a kid either. We have to unhook this trailer, hook this car up to the other trailer, pull it forward so we can open the door, get that thing out, then put it back, and then hook back up to this trailer. I had to been 10 when we got this thing.
It was Jim Owens.
Jim Owens. This thing was built.
National champion truck puller.
It was built to match a national champion truck puller. So he's got a clutch and a brand new motor. I don't know if we've even ever fired this motor off, but I have big plans for this. It's only like 6 o'clock, but it looks like it's super late. We basically got on the road like immediately, so we did not look. This has been off all the time. So we did not look at the go-kart to see if it shifted or anything once we started driving. So we're gonna find out now. Didn't move an inch. I never say this, but thank you for watching. If you like my videos, subscribe, because it would be cool if more people subscribed, because I guess I don't know why that's cool, but subscribe. So.